233 billion, 460,000 evacuees. That's how much wildfires cost the world in 2017 to 2018, just across 10 countries. It's unanimous among the experts. Global warming is the cause for the increasing frequency of wildfires, not just in terms of frequency, but also in their geographical reach. This year, Sweden experienced for the first time in about 20 years a wildfire that they failed to control. So what causes these wildfires? We all know that fire comes from oxygen, some dry fuel, and of course a high temperature. Climate change affects the latter two factors by providing the wet winter conditions necessary for the growth of weeds, which then turn into tinder during the heat season, along with the increasing temperature for fires. So what are we talking here with our solution? We're targeting someone who lives in an isolated area, maybe on a farm, maybe on a ranch, but lives in proximity to wildfires. He doesn't have any of the costly, somewhat ineffective solutions available, and also suffers from high insurance premiums. What is there to be done? Introducing sammota, the Finnish word for putting out a fire, where we anticipate fires through AI and IoT. What is sammota? A multi-channel proactive early warning system. We use NASA's satellite technology to bring in data on environmental conditions, the energy budget, as well as humidity factors and the vegetation coverage, which then alerts the users to set up their network when we are in fire season. The user then sets up their subsidized sensor network around their property, which are then triggered by the incoming fire. Once this is triggered, an automated drone flies over with an attached computer vision camera to confirm and track the speed, location, and dimensions of the wildfire, which is then sent off either to the authorities or to the user. Now, it's important to mention that this system will be subsidized and incentivized. The insurance industry has a strong interest in lowering their premiums for users who have purchased our package. It's not an expensive package, around $1,000. In contrast, in the city of California, the state of California, in 2017, per person affected, the cost in total economic cost was $800,000. It's a bargain. A little bit about the interface. One-click buttons, nothing complicated. All the data we need for our drones, as well as our sensors, as well as their status. A live heat map displaying not only the feed from the drones, but also local fire data from maybe community systems and our partners. Finally, we have a little bit of demo. Trained on only 250 images of wildfires and a sandwich, as you can see, we can already do a very good prediction of what is fires and what are not. And we'll attach this system to our drones, fly them over, and have them recognize and eventually put bounding boxes to actually track the location and speed of our drones, of our fires, excuse me. So, wildfires are a burning question. Sammota is the answer. Thank you.